If you're in the children's book KDP market and you've creating books to sell on KDP, now with AI you can have it do the entire book for you with just a prompt. Now that includes a book cover and all of the interior text on the image all in one go. So we're not actually selling here the use of this tool, we're actually selling the tool itself. So it's not cheap, but once you have this tool you can literally have this AI create for you entire books up to 50 pages or more that will literally create stories for you at will. You just create a prompt and then it will literally create for you the stories. And it can even be coloring books, as you probably saw earlier, entire coloring books with text on them if you need, or without text if you prefer. The imagery can be exactly to your liking. And remember, the main thing about this incredible tool is the fact that it does everything for you, including the cover image. Now, another feature that just makes it just I don't know what to say. It's basically a no-brainer. Is the fact that it provides you, once the book is ready, it provides you with a file. Let me show you. So with each book you create, you get a file that looks like this. It's a text file. It has the name of the book, the subtitle, the 3 categories for Kindle, the 3 categories for paperback, the 7 SEO key phrases, and the HTML description in rich text format, which you can put right into KDP, and the back cover text, if you can see it here. Let me just move this up. The back cover text, which you should put on the back of the book when you add to the cover creator. Now, apart from that, you get 2 other files. Obviously, you get the cover image, which is very, very high quality. Let me show you some examples here. So here's an example cover image. It's unbelievable quality. It includes your name on the front. And as you can see, this is the kind of quality you can expect, all automatically done for you right as the book finishes. So perhaps let me see a book that's about to finish, and then I can show you and demonstrate for you how that looks once the book is ready. So as you can see, this is a story about fire engines, and this is a story about somebody going to a farm and meeting all the farm animals, and you can see milking the cow over here. So as you can see, this is a book about trains, and this is a book about feelings. So you can see it can basically do anything you want, even coloring pages. Okay, and that's basically it. So anyone who wants to get their hands on this software, now it's not cheap, okay? It's going to cost you about $1,000. Once you have this software, you can literally dish out books, as many as you want. Like you can make 10 books in 10 minutes and then upload them all to KDP and start selling like crazy. The quality of these books is insane. Let me show you interior for a second. So here's an example PDF interior for your story. And once you order, you get also a video instructions how to just upload this to KDP. So for those of you who are new to KDP and just want to make money, you can see this is the kind of file you're going to be getting. It's just a PDF file. All the pictures are inside. All the pages are ready. You literally just upload that into KDP, and that's it. It will be accepted on the first try. You know how Amazon gives you a hard time with bleed and all of that? We've done all the hard work. Once you get this software, you can straight away upload to KDP and you're good to go. This will be accepted the first time, no questions asked. And that's it basically. So this actual format is for paperback only. We're not recommending to upload to Kindle. This is only for paperback, so keep that in mind. And if you're interested, drop a comment, say interested, and we'll send you like information perhaps with exactly what you're getting and how you can make literally a fortune using this. Because if you're able, let me just show you the homepage of the Book Factory, how it looks. So this is when you first start. This is the page you're going to come to create your first book. Amazon KDP Children's Maker. So it asks you your name, author name, the story idea. You can add a reference image. You can put an image of your child or anything like that. Put a book title and then choose the number of pages in the book, up to 50. You can add more to that if you want. Just let us know. Words per page you can choose depending on the age of the reader. And then you can choose the shape. We recommend only using square. And leave it at 1K. That will keep things moving quickly and cheaply for you. You do have to use your own private Gemini API key, but pictures are very cheap to create. It costs, I think, 2 cents per image. So you're not going to be breaking the bank making these books. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you're interested, drop a comment, and then we will forward you more information about this. And I did say I wanted to show you what happens when a book is ready and it's finished. So let me just show you quickly what happens when a book is complete and ready, so that you can decide if this is a tool you want. So as you can see, it's done this entire book. It's illustrated the entire book, including text on images from a prompt alone, and it's about to create a cover image. So as you can see right now, it's doing the last image, and then after that, this is where the cover design is created. So as you can see, it's designing the cover right now down here. It's literally creating the cover image, adding the final magic, and this is going to be the cover image, which is going to be the image that sells your book on Amazon KDP. This file can be added directly into the Amazon KDP cover creator, and here we are. So this is the page that you come to once you have finished. So as you can see, Daniel Discovers Sharks by Daniel Malchi. So shark discovery pass. As you can see, it's fantastic over here that it shows this is a very, very well done cover. You can literally download the image by clicking here, and then you can save the PDF file by clicking here, and now you have your 2 files that you need for KDP. And this is the button I was talking about. When you click on this button up here, KDP info, you will get your text file with all of the information, including which groups to put this book into, so you don't have to use your brain too much. It's really a no-brainer. And that's it. You click that, and that's it. Everything is ready. All the settings here are perfect so that it will just work straight away off the bat. And that's all. If you're interested, drop a comment, say interested. We will forward you more information. You could start making a killing. So as you can see, this is the file that was just created for me. Daniel Discovers Sharks. And here is the HTML description. Upload it to KDP and you're good to go. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.